Ka Sarkar Jylla Meghalaya kala ajeng menjur ya kejeng penkala ya ke rule lais pa nyukusan jang ke Assam excise rules kat kendai sepak saukusan. Bala pentrikam daga Meghalaya ban o eka khajana na ki jaka bami ki bitor Kyiad. Baru kejeng penkala ne amendment ya ke rule Southway A jang ke Assam distillery rules kat kendai sepak saukusan bala pentrikam daga Meghalaya. Ubah ubailat miki shelau le thu pada kene kejeng kio thumai ya ke import duty jang ke Kyiad balawan ra syaka Jylla kan long no na ka arpsan tengka syaka laipo tengka shi bulk liters bat lengba kene senjam la temu ban penbon ya ke jenglung pisah ke Jylla. Hagawai pat kaliang le thu baga Kynhun Myntri gala menjur ban penjela ne ka samoi trekam jagi laingot ki he officer ke bakanthop yo Ram Mohan Mishra YAS bal shangthaj na ka kam but executive chairman jaga Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Board. Ban penjela ne kasamoy trekam jong ba Hector Marwen IAS Balsyong Thaj nakakam but additional chief secretary ke Jylla Meghalaya ubabat ru kumu chairman jaga Meghalaya Sustainable Development Council. Ba la penjelan ru kasamoy trekam jong uba kan pham bor walang ubadai superintending engineer katna Directorate of Urban Affairs. Kynhun Myntri kala ajeng menjuru ek amendment yaki kendon jong ka forest transit rules hapo ka section saupo bat saupowe jong ka Meghalaya forest regulation ka kendai sebanyak pulai. Bala pulelang bat ka Assam regulation number bahnyo jong ka senam syajar praspa kendai puwe. Kynhun Myntri kala menjur ban pediang yaki kendon jong ka service rules jong the officer ka Meghalaya Drug Testing Laboratory.
Yeah, alcohol from outside the state. So usually it was 25 rupees per bulk liter. Now we have increased it to 30 rupees per bulk liter. But I think it will be definitely, we did this in order to improve the revenue generation in the state.
It will affect the individual consumers?
No, it should not be.